Jeremy was like kind of bored. She was talking to him. He's kind of like, leave me alone now.
Really?
I kind of got that.
I didn't have that impression actually.
Oh, okay.
I got the opposite one.
Of what? That he was engaged with her conversation?
A little bit? No.
What? This guy? I think it's cool.